Their loved ones were killed or injured in crashes involving a controversial highway guardrail. And tonight they are suing the guardrail maker.
Team 10 investigator Allison Ash joins us now with what the families want besides just money for their pain and suffering.
Yeah, you know, the picture back here behind me, the man who was behind the wheel of the car swerved to avoid hitting a deer. Instead, he hit a guardrail that impaled him. His family is now joining the ranks of victims who not only want monetary damages, they want change so it doesn't happen again.
These haunting images are the basis of the lawsuit filed in Dallas this week by 4 families who claim their loved ones were killed or injured by Trinity ET Plus guardrails.
There's never any thought that the reason they died was because the guardrail collapsed improperly and speared the vehicle and speared the persons in the vehicle.
A Team 10 investigation found the guardrails in question, the Trinity ET Plus, are in use in California. The manufacturer this year was ordered by a federal judge to pay $663 million in damages and penalties for secretly shaving off an inch in 2005, causing the guardrail to fail.
Instead of crunching like it's supposed to, instead the metal goes through the framework of the protection and pierces the vehicles.
Dallas attorney Brent Kuhn filed the lawsuit. He told me via Skype he has lots of other victims who will soon join the lawsuit. And he says they aren't just looking for a payday to ease their loss.
We know that there are 10,000 or more of these defectively designed rails out there. All of them need to be removed.
Caltrans has stopped installing ET Plus parts in California, but they still exist on our highways. Trinity Industries defends its product, but when asked for a comment on this newest lawsuit, their spokesman would only say it would not be appropriate for us to comment at this time on this specific litigation.
And this lawsuit accuses Trinity of gross negligence, among other things. And one of the victims that's named in the suit was an off-duty LA police officer. He died after his pickup was impaled by a Trinity guardrail.
Yeah, and that really propelled the conversation.
All right, thanks, Allison.